Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. My name is Ajit Mauli, the founder and mentor at LearnPriceActionTrading.com. Let's take a look at two new indices, the Nifty Finance and Nifty Private Bank, what they are doing and what they are likely to do in the coming week. So we'll start with Nifty Finance. On the monthly chart, after giving a new high, we are seeing a strong sell-off on the Nifty Finance index. So that's a new area of demand zone where we are likely to head to, which starts with around 17,000. A good area of demand zone from a swing perspective as of now starts at around 15,300. So these are the two areas of demand zone. Maybe we will go a little bit deeper in the first demand zone to just below 16,000 before we turn up. There is still no new supply zone on the monthly chart, but we probably are in the formation of one. On the weekly chart, a beautiful supply zone has been created, which caps the upside to the financial services stocks. So uh, that's the weekly supply zone. So around 18,700 could be a cap from where we could probably likely turn again if we move up from here. That's the weekly demand area which we are now sitting in, but we are probably likely to move further lower, and that's the next area of the demand zone which looks possible for a turnaround in the Nifty Financial Services Index. So that's going to be the range for us for the coming week, a couple of weeks, around 16,000 to 19,000. So don't get aggressive in long positions. Wait for pullbacks for shorts at around 18,700. These will be swing short areas. Uh, Coming back to the daily chart, so let me just remove these references. So on the daily chart, we have a nice supply, which will probably cap it for the next few days. That's a daily supply zone. And probably this is the area of demand zone which may hold on this. So this is going to be our range for the next few days on this, and good swing positions could be initiated at these areas of demand zone at around 16,200. So a bigger fall could be expected if the market continues falling. Multiple supply zones created. So again, swing long will have to wait. Short-term income longs based on confirmation, and short-term income shorts can be taken on any pullback to these areas of supply zone. So bearish outlook again on the Nifty financial services. Let's take a look at what the Nifty Private Bank Index is doing. We'll start with the monthly chart. Again, this is pretty much similar to what the Nifty Bank Index is doing. After giving a new high of 21,800, it started coming down. The next best area for us to be buyers is around 17,300. That is where you can look at buying some of the private bank stocks, like maybe an ICICI Bank or a Kotak Bank, or even a Federal Bank. These will be good areas to go long at these areas of demand zone on the monthly chart. Still no supply zone, but on smaller time frames, you'll have good areas of supply zone coming in. So wait for more pullback to initiate new long positions. Uh, Again, on the weekly, a new supply zone has been formed, which has capped the up move as of now. Unless we take off this area, we won't give new highs. So this is the boundary that we are going to have for the private bank index, and that's the area of demand zone on the weekly chart, which is going to be the boundary for the private backed index. So this is what we can expect the boundary for the next couple of weeks on Nifty private banks. At least next week, definitely, we may start moving down and probably break this 17,000 and come into these areas from where we can expect a pullback, but we'll wait for some bullish price action before we initiate new long positions. On the daily chart, a lot of supply areas created. That's one of the key areas of demand on the daily chart. And that's the area of supply zone that has got created. So the range is getting lower and lower for most of the indices. So this is going to be your range for the next couple of days, or at least for the next in the next couple of days, and from about 19,400 to 17,600. If you break this, then the next area of demand zone for us to be buyers on the daily chart will be somewhere close to 17,000. Before that, no longs. And longs here will be only purely based on confirmation. So further bearish outlook, new shorts to be initiated only if we get a pullback. If you're holding shorts, continue holding it till this area for the first target and second target about 17,200, 300. And longs will be only purely based on confirmation.